Organic compounds have been used for centuries in the production and use of cleaning and personal hygiene products, such as soap, detergents, and deodorants. In recent years, new innovations have been developed to improve the effectiveness, safety, and sustainability of these products. In this article, we will explore some of the latest trends and innovations in the use of organic compounds in the production and use of cleaning and personal hygiene products. The use of natural and plant-based compounds is driving innovation in the production of cleaning and personal hygiene products. Natural and plant-based compounds are derived from renewable sources and are often biodegradable, making them a more environmentally friendly alternative to synthetic compounds. For example, essential oils such as lavender and peppermint can be used as fragrances in cleaning and personal hygiene products, providing a natural and effective alternative to synthetic fragrances. The use of natural and plant-based compounds is an exciting area of innovation in the industry, with the potential to unlock new sources of sustainable and effective ingredients. The development of new surfactants is also driving innovation in the production of cleaning and personal hygiene products. Surfactants are compounds that lower the surface tension between two liquids or between a liquid and a solid. They are used in cleaning and personal hygiene products to remove dirt, grease, and other contaminants. New surfactants are being developed that are more effective and environmentally friendly than traditional surfactants. For example, sugar surfactants can be used as a natural and biodegradable alternative to synthetic surfactants. Advanced purification and filtration methods are also being used to improve the quality and safety of cleaning and personal hygiene products. Companies are using advanced techniques such as reverse osmosis and nanofiltration to remove impurities and contaminants from water and other ingredients. These methods can help to ensure that cleaning and personal hygiene products are safe and effective for use. The use of nanotechnology is also driving innovation in the production and use of cleaning and personal hygiene products. Nanoparticles can be used to improve the performance and effectiveness of these products. For example, nanoparticles can be used to improve the absorption and retention of fragrances in cleaning and personal hygiene products, making them more effective at masking unpleasant odors. Nanoparticles can also be used to improve the delivery of active ingredients in these products, making them more effective at removing dirt and other contaminants. The implementation of sustainable practices in the production and use of cleaning and personal hygiene products is also becoming increasingly important. Companies are implementing sustainable practices such as reducing waste and using renewable energy sources to minimize their environmental impact. For example, waste materials can be recycled and reused in the production of new cleaning and personal hygiene products, reducing the need for new raw materials. The implementation of sustainable practices can help to promote a more environmentally friendly industry and to reduce the carbon footprint of these products. In addition to these trends, there is also a growing focus on the development of new technologies that can improve the performance and effectiveness of cleaning and personal hygiene products. For example, artificial intelligence (AI) can be used to develop predictive models that can help to optimize the formulation and production of these products. AI can also be used to identify new and innovative formulations that can improve the performance and effectiveness of cleaning and personal hygiene products. In conclusion, the use of organic compounds is driving significant advancements in the production and use of cleaning and personal hygiene products, from the use of natural and plant-based compounds to the development of new surfactants and the implementation of advanced purification and filtration methods. The use of nanotechnology and the implementation of sustainable practices are just a few of the latest trends in the industry. As technology continues to evolve, it is likely that we will see even more innovations in the production and use of cleaning and personal hygiene products, with the potential to improve